My name is Izian Kashrina binti Ishan and my number matric is 2023625442 and I am from AM1101F.
Hi, my name is Asma Alawiyah Nuraya Mintazli. My number matric is 20234177774 and I'm from AM1101F.
My name is Shazwina Shafni binti Sazaham and my number matrix is 2023882278 and I am from AM1101F.
My name is Shazana Ajrana binti Azhar and my matric number is 2023620924 and I am from AM1101F.
What is compound interest? Compound interest is based on the principal amount which changes from time to time. Interest earned is compounded into principal and earns interest thereafter. Time value of money means that money available at present time is worth more than the same amount in the future due to its investment opportunities. It can be used to invest and earn interest or capital gains. The important terms in compound interest is original principal, which is P. P is referring to amount invested or deposited or borrowed. Secondly, we have nominal interest rate, which means K. Interest rate together with the frequency based on 1 year period. Thirdly, we have interest rate per interest period, which means I equal to K over M. Fourthly, we have number of interest period, which means N uses during the investment period, N equal to MT. Fifthly, we have future value or maturity value, which means S. S is total amount of principal and the interest. S equal to P brackets 1 plus I the power of N. Lastly, we have interest amount, which means I. I is the difference between total amount and the principal. I equal to S minus P.
The question for compound interest is, Izian took a loan of PTPTN RM11,963 and 98 cents from RSP Bank at an interest 1% compounded annually. After 10 years, how much the amount to be paid? Find the accumulated amount to be paid. For this special case, the question is if the accumulated amount at 20,000, find the new interest rate.
Here is the solution for the first question. P, which indicate as original principal, is 11,963.98 ringgit, and K indicate as the nominal interest rate is 1%, which is equal to 0.01. T is a period in year, which is 10 years, and then M is the interest period, which is 1, and I is the interest rate per interest period, which is 0.01 per 1. Last but not least is N, which is number of years, is 1 times 10, which equal to 10. This is the formula that we use to solve this question. S, which is the future value, equal to P, the original principal, open bracket, 1 plus I close bracket to the power of N. So S, which is the future value, equal to 11,963.98 ringgit, open bracket, 1 plus 0.01 close bracket the power of 10. And the answer for future value, which is S, equal 30,215.68 ringgit. Next is the solution for the second question, which is a special case. P, which indicate as the future value is 20,000 ringgit. P, the original principal, is 11,963.98 ringgit. K, the nominal interest rate 0.01. The period in year is 10, and M, the interest period is 1, and N, which is the number of years, is 1 times 10, which equal to 10. We are using the same formula like the first question to solve this question, which is S equal P, open bracket, 1 plus I close bracket, the power of N. Future value S is 20,000 equal to 11,963.98, open bracket, 1 plus I close bracket, power of 10. 20,000 per 11,963.98 equal, open bracket, 1 plus I close bracket, power of 10. And we get 1.671684506 equal, open bracket, 1 plus I close bracket, power of 10. Put 1.671684506 in the bracket and power 1 per 10 equal to, open bracket, 1 plus I close bracket, power of 10 times 1 per 10. 1.0527262 equal 1 plus I, and 1.0527262 minus by 1 equal I. Now 0.0527226 equal to 1 equal to I. 0.052726 times 100%, and the answer for I is 5.3%.
What is annuity? Annuity is a series of payments made at equal intervals. For example, annual dividends received, regular deposits to saving account, monthly shop rentals, and monthly pensions payment. The important terms in annuity is S, A, R, N, and I. S is future value of annuity. S is for total savings and accumulated amount of unpaid payments. Secondly, A is present value of annuity. A is for the original loan and initial amount in the savings. Thirdly, R is amount of the periodic or series payment. Fourthly, N is number of interest period or payments. Lastly, I is interest rate per interest period. The formula of savings is S equal to R brackets 1 plus I to the power of N minus 1 over I. Meanwhile, the formula of loan is A equal to R brackets 1 minus brackets 1 plus I to the power of negative N over I.
The question for annuity is a Honda Jazz is for sale at price at Rm 54,800. 10% down payment is made by the customer and the balance is made for a loan at 3.5% interest compounded monthly for 9 years. Find the monthly payment the customer need to be made. For this special case, the question is the customer wished to settle the balance of the loan immediately after paying the last payment on the 8th year. What is the outstanding balance need to be paid?
For original loan, A is equal to 54,800 minus 10% of down payment, 5,480 is equal to 49,320. K equal to 0.035, M compounded monthly which is 12, T 9 years, I K over M 0.035 over 12, and M times T 12 times 9 is equal to 108. To find monthly payment R, the formula used for loan is A equal to R in bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus I power of negative N over I. After that, place the unknown with numbers. 49,320 equal to R in bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus 0.035 over 12 power of negative 108 over 0.035 over 12. Next, solve the calculation in the bracket first, that equals to 92.5290696, and then solve 49,320 over 92.5290696. And the final answer for monthly payment R is equal to 533.02. For second question, we have A equal to 49,320, R 533.02, K 0.035, M compounded monthly which is 12, T 9 years, I K over M which is 0.035 over 12. And to find the outstanding balance need to be paid, the formula used for advance payments is AN equal to R in bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus I power of negative N over I, where N is equal to 12 times 9 minus 12 times 8, or 9 years minus 8 years is equal to 1 year, which is 12 months. So AN is equal to A12. A12 equal to 533.02 in bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus 0.035 over 12 power of negative 12 over 0.035 over 12. So, the final answer is A12 equal to 6,276.61.
The conclusion is annuity and compound interest are often interconnected, especially in the context of investments or savings where regular contributions are made. In the case of an annuity, regular payments can contribute to the principal and compound interest can then be calculated on the growing principal. Both concepts play crucial roles in financial planning, with annuities providing a structured approach to regular payments and compound interest showcasing the impact of compounding on the growth of investments or debt.